Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. If you want to go ahead and join our group, please go ahead and click on the link provided in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. The group serves as a platform for exchanging ideas, sharing knowledge and having your queries answered. Also, we have recently launched our first Android app on the Play Store. You can go ahead and download the same by searching for the name TPJ-The Pie Journal. The link for the same is also present in the description of the video. Now in this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap where Porinju Veliyath has bought 80,000 shares at Rs 91.87 via a bulk deal yesterday on the National Stock Exchange. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is Arbind Limited, which is available at Rs 92.60 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is ORIENTBELL. Now Arbind Limited is a holding company which engages in the manufacture of ceramic tiles. The company was founded on May 18, 1977 and is headquartered in New Delhi, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company was consolidating for the first few months of the year, since then had a huge collapse, whereas of late it has been trying to recover. The company has a market capitalization of 132.39 crores, which means that it's a borderline stock between a microcap and a small cap. The EPS and the price to earnings ratio are not applicable here, as the company is not making any profits as of now. The book value stands at 167.61, which means that this company is available at a cheap price to book ratio of 0.55. The company did not pay out any dividends on account of it not being profitable, whereas the promoter holding stands at a figure of 61.66%. None of the promoters holding is placed. The 52-week high for the company stands at 155, whereas the 52-week low is 48.75. This means that this company is still at a significant discount to its 52-week high. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.